want to invest the green ammonia production project in Odisha State together with ACME. The ammonia can be the one of the best candidate of the fuel for the future. So the Odisha State is one of the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. We'll be there to help you in every way we can
Thank you very much.
Thank
and to support you.
So we are very much interested in the more investment to the Odisha state.
Thank you very much. And we'll extend all support to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Wish you all success.